Today we're going to talk about the Pronto Interim solution for Verizon. You'll notice at the top that you'll need to navigate to pronto.turboii.com. You'll notice that there is no www in front of the Pronto. Once you land on the page, you'll see there is an area for a user profile, a password, VIN number, or an equipment number. If you have either the VIN number or equipment number, you can enter those in at this time when logging in. Now the user profile that we're going to use today is the VFL 100, and the password is case sensitive, and we're using lowercase Pronto. I'm going to go ahead and click on login, and you'll notice what's shown on the screen is that equipment number is tied directly to a 2004 Chevy Silverado 1500 with the 4.3 liter. At the top there is a wildcard search box where you can enter in what you are looking for, or below it all of the parts categories that are available to you. Now I'm first going to use the example of handle, looking for a door handle within the wildcard search box. I'm going to click on search, and you'll notice under the categories all of the different descriptions tied to handle. I'm going to go ahead and click on door handle, and you'll notice to the right hand side it will show the door handles that are available, all of the part numbers, and then underneath each one of the part numbers you'll notice that there are additional information to ensure you get the right part. If you want to order any of these, what you could do is you'll want to highlight the entire part number with the line code. Using the browser functionality, go ahead and right click, go down and copy, and place this into your work order system. Now as you can see on the screen, there are only 3 parts shown. If you'd like a larger representation of all the parts, you can use the maximize by box to the right. Have that open up, and it will show all of the parts available, as well as give you the ability to scroll down to see what other parts are available. Also, you'll notice to the left is the Epicor cover to cover. If you click on that, it'll open up into a new window. It will give you any of the product specs that are available, any additional information, MSDS sheets, tech service bulletins, and then any OE cross-reference numbers, and this differs by manufacturer. You also have the ability to print a page and then attach it to the work order if you would like to do so. I'm going to go ahead and close out of this. I'm going to go ahead and minimize this, and then I'm going to go back to the categories, and we're going to let it look up a set of front brake pads for the same vehicle. So you notice that I clicked on the plus on the left hand side to expand it. Then if I click on front brake pads, shoes, rotors, and drums, it's going to come back with all of the different offerings. If Bendix is not the brand that you're looking for, you can go ahead and use the jump to feature. Click on that, and then you can navigate yourself to any one of the parts manufacturers that you would like. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the interchange part function. I'm going to enter in the Motorcraft FL1A. I'm going to click on search, and you'll notice what it does is it'll come back with anything that Pronto supplier has available that crosses from an FL1A. In this instance it shows the Hastings LF115 or the Motorcraft long part. Now at this time, if you're looking for shop supplies, gloves, kitty litter, any of those items for your shop, you'll need to call the Pronto distributor directly to get the accurate line code and part number so you can order it and input that into your work order. Now what I'd like to do is I'd like to recap all of the items that we've gone over. First thing you'll need to do is open up Internet Explorer and go to pronto.turboii.com. Enter your user profile and password. You can enter in either the vehicle ID or VIN before logging into the application. You can use either the search box at the top left or the parts categories to access the list of parts available. You'll need to copy the entire part number with line code to place into your work order. For shop supplies, oil, antifreeze, gloves, etc., please contact your Pronto distributor for part numbers and availability. And for any additional questions, please contact your Pronto distributor. I want to thank you all for taking time out to view the video. Thank you very much.